welcome to my channel. So today we are going to talk about if you have any Microsoft app installed like Cortana. So in that case, how would you look at the version installed, and if you want to automate in a way that you want to check out the version daily, you can save it into a file. It could be txt, right? So let's try to do that in this video. And before we jump on to the solution, if you are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. And let's quickly jump back to the video. So before we actually kickstart with the solution, first we have to do few things. So this is a folder Windows System Apps which is by default not enabled, so you have to go to view and then you have to check this hidden item so that you can see this folder. And this is very important folder because this is where our system applications are installed, right? So I am taking example of Cortana right now, right, because that is the reference. So what we are going to do, first I'm going to show you how you can actually see the permissions for these files. So if you just right click here, you can see properties, and here in the security option you can see advanced, and these are the application the folder access that has been given to specific users, right? But we are not going to do this. We are going to use PowerShell, and you have to use administrator access here. When you open administrator access PowerShell, you have to run a simple command, takedown. So this takedown is for providing privilege to the current user to which you are logged into PowerShell, and it is forcefully take down or take ownership of the folder which you want recursively. So it will also take down the ownership of the subfolders also. So I already have the access, so I don't need to do it again, but this is for your reference in case you want to do it, right? Once we do that, there are two commands. One is WMI object. It is to see the installed applications that you do after installing your Windows, which are not from Microsoft, right? So if I execute this command, you will see all the installed application on my system. So it will take some time because it's also dependent on how many applications do you have. So I have a lot, so it will take some time, but eventually it will show each and every item to me. So I'll just wait. So here you can see that these are the applications installed, and as you can see, there are two columns, name and version, which is what I'm fetching, right? There is another command, as you can see here, appx package. So this command basically calls out every application installed in your system of Microsoft. So let me copy this, paste it here. So you don't need a package full name, you just need name and version. So if I do that, I can see each and every Microsoft apps, but problem is the name. So you will see some application name somewhere like this, right? So even if you try to find out Cortana here, you will not be able to see it. Why? I'm not sure why. But what I did is, if you just open Cortana here, you will see it in your task manager, right? Here you can see it. If you just right click here, you can open file location, and that is why we did the privilege stuff, because if you try to open this file location, you don't, by default you don't have the access. So that's why we have to run this command, take on, to take the ownership. Once you do that, you will be able to see open you will be able to see the location where it is installed. So you can see the name as Microsoft dot. So after dot you can see the name of the application, but here we have seen number, like here you can see Lenovo Companion and Microsoft Edge, right? So I've just copied that number, and what I will do is I will just use the previous command, but what I'll do is I'll just do -name containing this. Okay, it did not copy. Let me try again. So here also you can see the version and the a bit format here, but I want to fetch it automatically. You can also get it from the name naming folder also. So if I do this, I will get my result back, but I did not get the exact detail that I want. So I'll just do select name comma version. When I do that, I can see that I just got it. So I'll just copy this command. This is the final command that we use for each and every application, and this is how you can get the name and version. You can install as many applications as you want, and you can do the automation in the similar way. Now in the previous video, I tried to get each and every version of every driver installed in my system. So I will refer the video link somewhere here on the right side, right top corner. If not, you can find the video link in the description. So here what I'm going to do is I'm just going to replace this command with the one I've just copied. So if I try to run this, you can see the output will be on my desktop because this file is saved on my desktop. So in my output.txt file, I should see the Cortana name and version, right? So I'll just save it and I'll just run it. So here it says module because I'm opening it in 2.7 and I have to open it in 3.9. So driver version.py 3.9, and let's run this. So it ran, right? So let me just open output.txt. So here you can see this Cortana and the version, right? So this is how you can do this. Also, just to cross check, here I have opened the settings of Cortana, and here you can see the version, and this is the one that is matching with this one. So this is what we wanted to do, and this is how you can check every version of your app installed through Microsoft. So this is it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something, and I hope we will meet in the next video. Till then, have a good day, stay safe, and bye bye.